I invite you to join me in a word of prayer. Wise and gracious God, only you know all these graduates have come through to get to this moment. Only you know the full weight of all that has burdened them, all that has worked against them, all that has distracted and sidetracked them as they march forward day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, to this moment of celebration. The class of 2021 will go down in history as those uniquely qualified to succeed in the midst of pandemics and life's unexpected trials. So help us, Holy God, give them the honor they are due. Help us wave the flag of the triumph and blow the horn of holy joy. Bless these graduates in their accomplishments. Honor them in their future. Keep them and their futures secure. And as they leave these hallowed halls of academia, may these, our graduates, go in peace, holding on to what is good, ready to support the weak and help the suffering, ready to honor all people, ready to love and lead with the moral courage our world so desperately needs. And may God bless them and keep them, be kind and gracious to them. May God look upon them with favor and bring them peace. Amen.
Good afternoon to all of you on this day of celebration. We are delighted that you can be with us as we participate in the 164th commencement exercises of Monmouth College. I would like to introduce our special platform guests, Reverend Dr. Terry McDowell Ott, College Chaplain, Mr. Joe Donor, the Lincoln Laureate of the class of 2021, and Dr. Mark Wilhart, Dean of the Faculty. I now want to recognize several individuals and groups who have played an essential role in making today's celebration possible. The service and support of these people is noteworthy under any circumstances, but in the face of the challenges wrought by the pandemic, their contributions to the life of the college are extraordinary. First, I want to thank the members of the college's Board of Trustees. These dedicated people, many of them alumni of the college, provide critical leadership for this institution. I hope that some of today's graduates have service as a trustee of Monmouth College among their ambitions. I would also like to recognize the members of our College Alumni Association Board of Directors. These individuals serve the college in many ways, encouraging prospective students, providing internships and other career opportunities to current students and other alumni, making and inspiring financial contributions, and serving as a great source of ideas and a sounding board for initiatives at the college. I extend warm greetings and deep appreciation to Monmouth College's faculty and staff. At Monmouth College, no matter what other titles we may have, we are all educators, committed to the guided growth of young people. Through their dedication and passion, these people have helped our students to free the possibilities inherent in them. As I am thanking our faculty and staff, I want to express special appreciation to those whose work makes this commencement weekend possible and so special. Our faculty marshals, Professors Marjorie Bond, Stacy Lotes, Tom Sargent, and Sean Shum. Our facilities staff, led by Ms. Sarah Young, and Associate Vice President Karen Ogrzalik, and Director of Campus Events Ryan Doyle, who coordinate all of the weekend celebrations so well. I also want to recognize and thank my wife, Lobie Stone, for all that she does on behalf of the college and its students, and especially for freeing whatever possibilities reside in me. Next, a special welcome to the very important people for whom today represents the culmination of 4 years of dedication, study, and hard work, and the beginning of new, exciting chapters in their sagas. Members of the class of 2021, you have persevered, you have triumphed, in the face of great challenge. We thank you and we congratulate you. Finally, a warm welcome to the mothers and fathers, husbands and wives, sisters and brothers, sons, daughters, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and friends of our 2021 graduates who today celebrate this special event with them and with us. We welcome all of you, and we thank you for being here to celebrate the achievements of the class of 2021. Two of the highest honors that a Monmouth College faculty member can receive are the Hatch Award for Excellence in Service and the Hatch Award for Distinguished Scholarship. Established by W. Jerome Hatch, Monmouth College class of 1957, these awards recognize exceptional work and service by our faculty. I am proud to announce that this year's recipient of the Hatch Award for Excellence in Service is Professor of Biology Tim Tibbetts. And I am equally proud to announce that this year's recipients of the Hatch Award for Distinguished Scholarship are Assistant Professor of Modern Languages, Literatures, and Cultures, Francisco Angeles, and Assistant Professor of Art, Janice Wunderlich. The thread that runs true through the history of Monmouth College is our dedicated faculty and staff. This year we celebrate the service of four outstanding members of our faculty. Carolyn Suda, lecturer in music, will retire this August after 35 years of service. Professor of Political Science Farhad Haq is retiring after 34 years of service. Professor of Biology Kenneth Kramer is retiring after serving the college for 28 years. And Professor of Sociology Judy Kessler is retiring after 20 years of service. During that time, and still, these faculty members have embodied the best of Monmouth College. I am now pleased to call to the podium our student laureate from the Lincoln Academy of Illinois, Mr. Joe Doner. Unique among the 50 states, the Academy was established to honor Illinois' most distinguished citizens with the state's highest award, the Order of Lincoln. Each year, an outstanding senior who exhibits overall excellence in curricular and extracurricular programs is selected from each of the four-year degree-granting institutions of higher learning in Illinois. Joe Doner has indeed exhibited such excellence as a leader in all aspects of campus life and as an example of character and compassion. I now invite Mr. Doner to deliver his commencement address.
Sic transit gloria Monmouth. Thus passes the glory of Monmouth College. All of us here have worked hard and given much to be where we are today. Through our hard work and effort, we have made Monmouth College a better place, and we have been made better through our time here at Monmouth College. We, the senior class, the glory, the current crown jewel of Monmouth College, we have all earned this position. We have bought and paid for it by the sweat of our own brows, but now it is time to leave our roles, our places here, to strut and fret a while on the stage of life. While we look back with sighs on our lips, will we look back and let Eurydice slip away, regret what we have done and what we could have done? No. There is no such thing as a perfect rose-colored campus life, and such regrets are nothing but a betrayal of the self. We have made the decisions that we had to make to get to this ceremony here today. We have faced 1,000 obstacles. We have faced lost ID cards, failed classes, failed tests, a pandemic, Zoom classes that never seem to end, and we have overcome every single one of them to get here today. We have widened our own experiences, our own characters, and our own accomplishments, and we have widened the greatness and the glory of Monmouth as well. Many of us here are leaving dear friends and companions behind, and if we have been good friends to them, then they have been able to observe what we have done, they have learned from our experiences, and they will not make the same mistakes or endure the same hardships that we have. They will instead have completely different experiences, that will further enrich their lives and further enrich this college. It is this act of sharing wisdom and experiences, of trying to make a better community for ourselves and for our friends, that ensures that the glory of Monmouth will continue to pass from year to year and hand to hand like a torch. Abraham Lincoln once said, "Let us hope that by the best cultivation of the physical world beneath and around us, and the intellectual and moral world within us, we shall secure an individual, social, and political prosperity and happiness whose course shall be onward and upward, and which, while the earth endures, shall not pass away." Cultivating ourselves and passing the torch. It is in this way that we ensure that we grow in glory, not only when we leave this place and go abroad in our lives, but also our own glory that we leave here at Monmouth will grow each time our experience is used, our tales remembered, our deeds recognized. It is important to remember that we students have been far from the only ones making an effort, though. Every single Monmouth College employee and parent that has ever touched our lives for the better deserves our heartfelt thanks and deep gratitude for helping us to get through these last 4 years of effort and toil. I certainly know that I would not be standing here today without the support that my parents gave me. The professors and administrators of Monmouth College deserve our special thanks as well for enduring the Sisyphean task of yearly trying to get new students, new faces to avoid the same old mistakes that all college students must overcome. We graduates, however, who no longer have to concern ourselves with the labors and travails of Monmouth College, now face an entirely new challenge. We are entering a world that is very much still in crisis. Even with the slow waning of the pandemic, entering the wider world at this moment still feels as though we are going once more unto the breach, in an effort where we will either succeed as we hope to, or be forced to throw ourselves against the wall once again. And while we are making these efforts to establish ourselves, we must face down alienation and the evils of the rat race. We must fight to maintain our dignity and our connections with those around us in this age of ever-increasing pressure to monetize and capitalize on every moment of our waking lives. We must not capitulate to the pressures of the rat race, for we are not rats. We are Monmouth College graduates, and we must work and should always call for and give the dignity and respect that every human deserves. We are young and vivid, so let us dream utopian dreams. We should always believe that we should receive what we have earned, never devalue ourselves, and find what we believe in and embrace it. We should not give over to defeatism or the belief that it simply is what it is. We must challenge it, whatever it is, and believe in something better, believe in something perfect, and fight for it. And one can easily find their happiness in the act of pursuing perfection. We can make these choices in our lives, and we should never take the act of choosing for granted, nor should we let a choice pass from our hands through inaction. Waiting is for suckers, and indifference is for those who have been made too distant from everything else to care about their own lives. And we must never forget those who chose to care about us here at Monmouth, or those that we chose to care about ourselves. Whether they were our upperclassmen, our peers, our underclassmen, our teachers, our co-workers, our parents, or even the local residents here in town. All are important. All of them had a hand to play in making us who we are today and getting us to this point in our lives. I am honored to have been able to speak to you all today. Your examples of perseverance have pushed me to persevere. The courage I have observed in you has increased my own courage, and your dedication to success will forever prod me to seek further success of my own. I look forward to walking into the blazing sunlight of our futures together. On a final note, to each and every person that has helped me to thrive in the last 4 years and that has made it possible for me to stand here today, I want to say that my mother thanks you, my father thanks you, my grandparents thank you, and I thank you. Godspeed to you all, and congratulations.
For 164 years, Monmouth College has followed the tradition of using Latin to confer the baccalaureate degree. We invite you to follow the English translation printed in the commencement program. as we begin the presentation and conferral of degrees for the Monmouth College class of 2021. Tibi praesidi collegii Monmouthiensis hos unus ut ad gradum artium baccalaureae et baccalaureae scientiae admittantur offero.
In nomine Dei, Amen. Auctoritate nobis, a Republica Illinoiensi, commissa et consuetudine vetere nos professores, vos ad gratum artium baccalaureae et baccalaureae scientiae admittimus.
This is the 2021 graduating class of Monmouth College. Congratulations. Alvaro Alvarez Carrasco, Mamie Elizabeth Nelson Ambrosch, Tucker Carey Anderson, Kenzie Marie Arlt, Leslie Bahena Montoya, Mackenzie Rayanne Baker, Jordan Thomas Ball, Savannah Taylor Ball, Jack Douglas Barnett, Austin Michael Berry, Morgan Leah Bemis, Terrence Best Jr., Madeline Jane Bird, Taylor Bloomgren, Preston James Bokey, Abigail Marie Borscheit, Allison K. Bowman, Jacob Brewer, Taylor Nicole Brule-Stock, Victoria M. Burgo, Angela Capasso, Ciclali Cardonia, Leslie Cervantes, Aspen Bailey Chatterton, Victoria Chaffee, Naomi Odessa Charles, Amelia Chavez, Kennedy S. Chenault, Dylan Chero, Taylor Renee Kaufman, Alicia Anaya Collins, Na Comle Comey, Riley Christine Cook, Alec Graves Cooley, Avery Christine Coppas, Megan Cornels, Declan A. Krigo, Brock Crippen, Seth Wyatt Crosslow, Devin Marie Cross, Erica Lizette Cruz, Adam Michael Curry, Alexander Cutright, Megan Davis, Sean M. Davis, Trevor William Davis, Ryan Alexander Dawson, Emily Ann DeWitt, Dominic Giuliano DeCello, Hannah Rose Decker, Connor Reese DeVilder, Joseph Coan Bote Donor, Catherine Elizabeth Drost, Tyler Nash Dugan, Carly Elizabeth Dunham, Jordan Brennan Jean Eason, Brittany Nicole Enos, Alexis Brooke Enright, Logan William Evans, Richard W. Iyer, Reed Emerson Flieger, Kaylani Floyd, Seth T. Foster, William Brian Fox, Matthew Thomas Franciscovich, Savannah Rose Franklin, Donald G. Friedel, Aaliyah Garcia, Rodolfo Garcia, Gavin Matthew Gard, Tristan Allen Gibson, Frida Matazli Gonzalez, Fabian Gradilla, Kenneth Brandon Grafe, Robert Connor Grafe, Nathaniel James Graham, Lisbeth Gutierrez Torres, Blake C. Hawes, Lexi Rayanne Hager, Jared S. Hall, Tyler J. Halsey, Courtney Marie Harmon, Zachary J. Harris, Noah Harshbarger, Alec Robert Hayes, Catherine Susan Hayes, Brooke Hazelwood, Logan James Heaton, Erin Margaret Henkel, Fabian J. Herrera, Hannah Hoffman, Alexander Michael Hausiel, Esther Sevgi Hubbard, Damon Marquale Heiler, Danielle Ito LaBelle, Emma Catherine Johans, Jemiah Andrea Johnson, Trevor Jacob Jones, Selma Karastanovich, Reese McKenna Kavanaugh, Seth T. King, Jasmine Marie Knowles, Jack Thomas Cohn, Alyssa Konezny, Emily Rose Kruger, Cynthia S. Ladner, Jacob Kurt Landry, Gunnar Stephen Leaf, Carter Troy Lewis, Leslie Linares, Chloe Little, Sarah Noel Loeffler, Alec Peyton Lyle, Ashlyn Rose Maher, Riley Mann, Kieran John Marshall, Jory James Masterman, Brenda Matthias Cruz, Tegan Ann McKenna, Ryan J. McCurdy, Kyle G. McLaughlin, Sydney Page McVeigh, Hannah Lynn McVeigh, Kirsten Francis Menke, Allison Morgan Myers, Alyssa Catherine Miner, Abier Dorothy Kamei Miner, Prabhuruman Mohan, Kylie Jess Monroe, Arturo A. Monroy, Griffin Allen Morrill, Michael J. Mueller, Jada Lynn Muldrew, Marina Isabel Muro, Seamus Patrick Murphy, Gabrielle Lee Nance, Charles O. Neal, Madison Irene Nelson, Bailey Ann Olson, Justin Emmanuel Opum, Alexis Opal, Courtney Louise Hart, Francisco Jose Paban Cruz, Jinson Alexander Padilla, Miranda Paskey, Mitchell Perez, Jordan Leanne Peterson, Austin Simon Thau, Bryson Alexander Pillow, Morgan Pizer Krantz, Grant Powers, Taylor Proberts, Rebecca J. Quick, Karina Rochelle Ramos, Trenton Lee Rampley, McKenna Jean Rapian, Emily Elizabeth Brine, Haley N. Rennick, Holly Elise Rayner, Amari Richardson, Caitlin B. Richter, Lucas Patrick Riley, Brett Conrad Rissman, Renee Nicole Rude, Sujit Santosh Kumar, Connor W. Schmall, Molly Schoen, Nathan Paul Schroeder, Clayton M. Schulenberg, Jalen Scott, Leah Nicole Sieben, Shane Michael Sendera, Rayanne Sandra Shank, Joseph B. Shanklin Jr., Cheyenne Roby.
Yeah, it's always the ones that.
Yeah, well, and I was, not paying attention. Leah Nicole Sieben, Shane Michael Sendera, Rayanne Sandra Shank, Joseph B. Shanklin, Jr., Cheyenne Ruby Sheehan, Joseph Edward Shy, Brandon Lee Skovronsky, Shane E. Smith, Jonathan Michael Roy M. Spence, Bianca Grace Stavrakakis, Julia C. Sturr, Robert P. Story, Kyla Suter, Delano James Swift, Marco Joseph Tawadros, Rodolin Yera Chorley, Matthew Charles Temener, Abigail Elizabeth Teskey, Drew L. Thaxton, Nicholas A. Thomas, Allison May Rose Tratine, Abby Kristen Tucker, Zachary H. Vansel, Austin J. Vanichin, Aubrey Bernard Vaughn III, Serena Venenga, Josie K. Welker, Chandler B. White, Colton Dean Wilhart, Darius Jamal Williams, Nathan Paul Williams, Stephanie Elaine Williams, Ajita Wilson Bahoon, Thomas Donald Whitty, Kristen Warner, Isaiah P. Wright, Mandy Shu, Manuel Zavala Suarez.
Now, I would like for you to close your eyes for a moment as we think back across your years at Monmouth College. Think back to your first day on campus. Think about the best of your many best days. Think about that hardest day and how you made it through. Think about those people who will be your friends for life. Think about that person you had to work hardest to like. Think about your toughest defeat. Think about your greatest triumph. Think about those people who had the greatest impact on you. Think about those people whose lives you have made a little bit better. Be sure to come back to campus. Come back often. No matter where you go, this will always be home. We are all proud of you. We love you. And from Lobie and me, we wish that you will keep the spirit of these days forever, that you will be forever young.